Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. I have another entry to share with you all today. I just opened the top so that it'll be easier for me to take the stuff out. So let's get into it. This is another birthday entry. So let's see. So this is P. Jones. I'm not familiar with the name, so you know how that goes. Let's see who this is from. It says happy birthday. This is their little card. It's so cute. She made this card herself. Look at this balloon. It's so gorgeous. Why does this one look familiar? Okay, it says, hi Eileen, happy birthday. I'm so happy to enter your challenge. I hope you like everything. The sequin matches the collection. Patrice. Oh, Patrice at IG. It's Trees Crafty Life. Gorgeous entry. Oh my goodness. Here we go, guys. So let me just make some room here because my table is super crowded right now. And look at this confetti that she also added. This little hexagon. I'm keeping that. Oh my gosh, you guys. Look at this. Look at this. Oh, it's full of that confetti. Oh my god. Okay, so this is her memory decks, and we're gonna move this to the side because, you know, of course. Oh my gosh, this is gonna be one of those kind of it's gonna be everywhere. It's gonna be everywhere on me. What is this, girl? What in the world? What did you did not have to do this? Oh my gosh, Patrice. Oh my gosh. Girly girl. Oh, I see. The glitter was supposed to be in the box, in the bag. I guess she probably forgot to seal it, and that's how it's all over. It's all over everything, but I don't mind. I sure don't mind because who doesn't like to sparkle? Look at that. Ooh. Yes, yes, yes. Yes, please. Oh my gosh. Okay. Enough of that. She included a little what are these called again? Embellishment box. Okay, so look at that. Her shaker. It says happy birthday. Oh, this is so beautiful. I think this is the collection I picked up from Tara. I think this is the collection. And then it has happy birthday on here. This little oh, I love that ball and chain. That is cute. It's got the tassel. Says happy birthday, and she has a cake, and it says looking good, girl. Oh, I like that. Looking good. Anybody tell me looking good? I love it. Oh, look at my name. She got my name on it. She got my name on it. And then it has another tag. It says, live every day like it's your birthday. Yes, girl. Every day is my birthday. I wish. But that would make me 1,000,000 years old. 1 in 1,000,000 years old. Oh, look at the inside. This is gorgeous. It says, you're awesome. All the good things. Oh, you deserve all the good things. Oh my gosh, I cannot read. Reading is fundamental. Oh my god. Is this a whole... She said a sequin. She said a sequin mix. Oh my god, I wasn't expecting the whole thing was sequins. You guys, do you see this? Oh, I have to keep every single drop of these confettis. There's green, so pretty, and yellow. I don't have yellow. And the gold. Oh my god, are you seeing this? So all those that fell out, they belong here. And then she has this fun mix with the dewdrops in there. Look at that. Purple, baby, purple, I love it. I can swim in purple. And this gorgeous fuchsia. And then she's got this pink over here. And this pink right here is beautiful. Beautiful. Oops, no pink in the green. You guys, I could sit here and sort the damn sequins out, okay? So I'm sorry. Look at all this. Gorgeous. And the yellow mix. Look at that. So pretty. Pretty, pretty, pretty. Oh my gosh. I love this. Look at this sequence right here. Isn't that beautiful? Look at that. Can you see that gold right there? This is gorgeous. Patrice. And then she has stars. Oh my god. And the hexagons. This is so beautiful. It is gorgeous. Girly, I'm gonna have to scoop all this up because they are not gonna get lost on my watch. Oops. They might get put in the wrong pocket, but it's okay. It's okay. Okay, let's get into the memory deck. So I'm so sorry for that. Oh yes, girl. This is so cute. I do have this collection. It's the birthday line. Oh man, Nurse Tara would know. She'll know it like immediately. Oh, so cute. OMG. Look at this memory decks. I really gotta make my dang memory decks box. Look at this charm. You guys see this charm? That is beautiful. Beautiful. And it's a shaker. Shaker, shake, shaker, shake, shake, shake it. Shake it, shake now. Shake it, shake now. Oops. There we go. Look at that birthday mix. Oh, I love it. Oh my god, there's a gumball. Gumball machine right here. Little pom-pom. Happy birthday hat. Says happy birthday. Eat more cake. Yes, I will. Yes, I will. I love this balloon ephemera right here. So beautiful with the tassels. There's a bunch of candles in the background. We're not going to put the exact amount of candles on my cake. And then it just says, whoops, it just says handmade by yours truly, Patrice. IG is Trace Crafty Life 2020. Thank you for putting the year on there, babe. That helps a lot with me. So beautiful. I love it, girl. This is gorgeous. Okay, so this is glued down, right? Okay. So I'm just going to take this one and put this right back on top, just like that. And just like that. Now, I was a little late behind the ball game there. A little behind the ball. Or dropped the ball. Or behind the, I don't know. I'm not really good with sayings. Anyway, I guess I didn't put it out at the beginning on, you know, enough info. I just assumed, and you know what happens when you assume. Things go wrong. But anyway, she didn't put her info or her likes and dislikes. So if you guys remember to do that, that would be good, because then we could know, you know, share with each other a little bit, and a little bit of this, a little bit of that. But look at this gorgeous birthday card. I love it. This is beautiful. Patrice, thank you. Thank you. Thank you for participating. And you are entry number 11, babe. You are number 11. Lucky number 11. I greatly appreciate you all watching. Please give this video a thumbs up and go check her out on Instagram. She does not have a YouTube channel, but I love, love, love her creations. Didn't I tell you this was gorgeous? So go check her out, guys. Give her a thumbs up. Say hi. Subscribe to her or follow her on Instagram. And I'll see you on the next video. Bye.